Today I want to talk about the, in my eyes, biggest and most make mistake of sales managers in the info product business niche. And just for you to understand why you may or may not want to listen to me, in the past 4 years I've scaled 5 different businesses to multiple 6 figures a month. We're currently building sales and marketing teams for our partners who we grow to multiple 6 figures or even millions a month. And yeah, I have just noticed something and I just wanted to hop in the car and talk to you guys real quick about the most made mistake and the biggest mistake you can make as a business. So I have seen a ton of info product businesses that have gone really well for a couple of months and then started to plummet again. And this 9 out of 10 times is because of a very simple mistake that people make. And the reason that sales managers or business owners make this mistake is because the solution is very counterintuitive. So let me take you guys along the ride of the first time that this happened to me myself. So what basically happened was that we scaled pretty quickly. This was the first info product business that I scaled. It was my own business, and we went to about 100K in the first a month in 6 months, and then the month after that was 150K. Month after that was 200K, something along those lines. And then after that, shit started to go downhill again. And one theme came up, and that is that sales reps were complaining about the quality of the sales calls and the leads. So if you're currently noticing this inside of your business, this video is very important for you to watch. We thought that the problem was in marketing, that our funnels and our organic marketing, our content was somehow not performing as well as it was before. It could only be this. This could only be the reason why stuff was going down and we weren't closing as many deals in our eyes. But as it turns out, I have seen a ton of businesses who tell me that the sales team, after a couple of very good months, start complaining about the quality of the sales calls. The reality is that the sales calls and the quality of the leads is not going down. That is not the actual problem you guys are facing. The actual problem you guys are facing is that people are becoming compliant. The biggest mistake here that you can make as a sales manager or business owner is that you buy into the lies and the excuses of your sales team who are becoming too comfortable. There are a few ways to fix this problem. First, like at the end of the day, what you want your sales reps to do is look at themselves and only focus on improving themselves and the stuff that they actually have an influence on, which is their own sales calls, their own way of working the leads, their own quality as a sales rep, their mindset, etc. The moment the morale of your sales team goes down, the moment the mindset of your sales reps is going down and it's like becoming a struggle for them, is the moment that you start closing less and less and less deals, and then everything will go in a downward spiral from there, because then marketing will start worrying, then you will scale down, then the other sales reps will start also like not being able to close as many deals as before. New sales reps coming in the team are not going to perform well because the morale of the team is low. So then everything goes downhill. You can start all over again. To make sure this doesn't happen to you, and to make sure you can actually keep your momentum and keep growing instead of stagnating or actually needing to scale down, what you need to do is try to fix the morale of the sales team, try to fix the mindset by taking away the problem from the sales team. So basically, as they complain about the leads and as they complain about everything that's going wrong, you take notes, you listen to them properly, you write everything down, and then afterwards, after they've done all the complaining and all the nonsense, you say, okay, good, perfect, amazing that you guys told me this. I love the feedback. I will go fix all of this with the marketing team and with the delivery team or wherever the problem might be, and I'll take care of it. No worries. I know exactly what to do. I'll fix it. Let's now focus on what we as a sales team can improve on ourselves in order to just stay focused on what we can actually influence. And then you like redirect the focus to the sales reps themselves, to their circle of influence, make them like stop thinking about how bad other stuff is going or whatever. You just say, I'm gonna take care of it, no worries, don't worry about it, it'll be fixed, everything will be fine. We just need to focus on what we can do right now. I'll take care of the rest in order to actually scale and start closing again and make sure that we get all the deals fixed as well. So that's basically what you do, and then make sure to really hype up the team again. If after a couple of days or the first week, there's still 1 or 2 or 3 people inside of your sales team who have a very low morale and a bad mindset and are still complaining, get rid of those people. Even if it's your best closer, it doesn't matter. Get rid of them, because they are going to drag the whole team down and make sure that you guys will have to scale down, and like this downward spiral that I just talked about, that is exactly what is going to happen if you don't get rid of the people who reinforce this downward spiral. So that's what you want to do. Listen to their feedback, take notes, tell them everything's going to be fine, tell them you know exactly how to fix everything, make sure that you exceed confidence so that they really feel like, okay, he's going to fix it, it's fine, and then redirect the focus back to the sales team and what you can do in your circle of influence within the sales team to make sure everything goes better again. Make sure to fix the sales team, so train your people, keep the mindset right, etc., etc., like host some meetings properly, etc. If you want more information about that, comment down below or watch other videos because I've explained it before, and I will explain it again if you guys didn't really understand it before. And then the last step is get rid of the people who still have a bad mindset, no matter how well they are performing, because they will reinforce that downward spiral. So that's basically what I wanted to talk about today. I have a meeting in 5 minutes, so I need to prepare for that meeting and help out some clients. And I'll talk to you guys next time.